Hey Bassoons, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at your Bassoon First Notes page in your packet. It's page number 10 in the packet. And there are 5 notes that we are going to be learning on this sheet. So today we're going to be focusing on those first 5 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these lines. And then you'll be practicing those for quite a while before you're ready to go on to the next part. First of all, let me turn your attention to this diagram that's over here on the side. This can be pretty daunting looking. I want you to notice the little cross shape that's here with the thin line. This is dividing your instrument into the front side over here on the right and the back side on the left. And then this other thin line that's going horizontally is dividing your instrument from the top half and the bottom half. So once you understand how the diagram works, it makes things a little bit easier. So the first note we're going to learn today is your C. This is second space C on the staff. And it is, you notice the dark circles. You're going to use your first, second, and third finger. So you're covering on the front of the instrument. And then you're also going to add this key right here on the back side with your left thumb. And this is called the whisper key. I'll show you that in just a moment because we're going to use a lot of the whisper key. This is kind of the shorthand version of how to play C. So the W stands for whisper. 1 through 3 means we're going to use fingers 1, 2, and 3. So all 3 fingers on the top. So here's what that looks like up close. So on the front side, I am covering these holes, 1, 2, and then my third finger is going to go on this lever right here that has a little extension because our fingers are not necessarily that wide usually. So 1, 2, 3. And then on the back side, the whisper key with your left thumb is going to be the one that's the bottom, the very bottom key that's closest to the right-hand side of the instrument. So your thumb is going to need to reach way around and press the whisper key. So you'll need to be careful when you're doing this. My fingers are kind of short. Hopefully yours are longer than mine. But the whisper key, make sure you're not hitting any of these keys over on this side as you do this. So whisper, 1, 2, 3, and this is your C. Sounds like this. Give that note a try while I get the metronome ready over here. All right, now if yours didn't sound like mine, it means that you have probably pressed something that you shouldn't press, or you're not probably pressing the whisper key firmly, or you are not covering one of the holes on the front of the instrument thoroughly. So leaks will cause your weird things to happen. So here's the metronome. We're setting this for 60 beats per minute. And we're going to play these big, fat, hairy whole notes here. We're going to do them I play, you play style. So I'm going to play first, and then you just repeat that note back to me while I'm resting, and so on and so forth as we go through this line. So we're playing a total of 3 C's, whisper, 1, 2, 3. My turn. So you will notice the instructions up here say to make sure that you're using steady, fast air until the beginning of the rest. So our foot should go down, 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 stop the air is what we're working on as we get more familiar with these notes. Let's go to the next one. Line number 2 is 1 note lower. This is B flat. You'll notice the little half a heart with the stem right here. That's the flat sign. So B flat on the front side of the instrument, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, and then on the bottom half, 4, 5. And then we're going to use the whisper key, and then we're going to add the B flat lever. I'm going to show you where that is in just a second. So here's the shorthand: whisper, 1 through 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus the B flat key. All right. So here is that up close and personal. whisper on the back side with the left thumb. Front side, 1, 2, 3. Down on the bottom, I'm adding 4 and 5. 5 is the one that has the silver ring around it. And then I need to add the B flat lever. The B flat lever is located on the back of the instrument, and it's easy to find if you find the pancake key. The pancake, we call it the pancake key because it looks like a pancake. Its real name is the E key, but we call it the E key. And the B flat lever, B flat key is just right above that pancake key. So again, I have whisper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the front. And then with my right thumb, I'm adding the B flat lever on the back. So here's what B flat sounds like. Give that note a try. That's a lot of fingers. And here we go. My turn. I play, you play. Don't forget the B flat lever. Tap your foot. Now, for me, the B flat is one of the harder notes to get because it doesn't follow the sequence. We have to add more keys, but the next note is a little more easy. The A, which is on the first space of the staff, that A, we're going not to add keys, but we're going to take away. So we need to take away the B flat lever. So now we are whisper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes it a little bit easier. Okay, let's set our fingers. Whisper 1, 2, 3 on the top, 4, 5 on the bottom. A sounds like this. Give that note a try. Here we go. Whisper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A. My turn. How'd you do? Right, I want you to continue to practice these first 3 notes on this page. I'm going to do a separate video for you for lines 4 and 5, the G and the F. So once you feel comfortable playing C, B flat, A, then look for that next video. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time.